Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to top up your pressure of your tires on your Smart Fortwo 2. Here we go. We're sitting on the driver's side and we're going to see this light indicated. This indicates that the TPMS has a fail code. That means your tire pressure is too low. Or it's too high. Because you have some sensors inside your rims, inside your wheels, and this will control your pressures. And now we are getting on a petrol station, and there you can see the 15 inches wheels, and have a look at your wheels. Where it is? Here we are. There it is. So here are sampled 15 inches wheels. Okay, that means we can look back to the information panel. 15, there it is. That means 29 psi. 2 bar in the front side. At the rear side, 2.5 bars or 6 psi. But it does not care about 15 or 16 inches. So let's head up to the front side. 2 bar indicates. Good job. Now remove the valve cover. Here we go. Rotated left turn. And now get the pressure control system into position. Yeah, here you can see it is a clamp. This clamp will hold this plug in position. Here we are. Good job. Maybe you have to push a little bit and then it will get the pressure inside. Here you can see now it's pumping up your tires. At the front side. The front side will get 2 bar. Why 2 bar? In the rear side, there is the built-in engine. And in the front side, there is only a service area, not an engine or a heavy thing. You can also use a mobile pressure control system. And you can perform this for the left side front and the right side front too. So let's head up to the second. This is the rear tires. The rear tires will get 2.5 bar. We are performing the same. We get the pressure top up system into position and it will pump up immediately our rims. Good job. The tires will inflate. 2.1 bar plus 2.2 bar, etc. It is important to get the right tire pressure because if you're too low with the pressure, you will get lose some petrol, not on the street, but because of the low pressure. And if you go too high, inflate too high pressure, that will damage your tires. So here we are, 2.5 bar at the rear side and 2.0 bar at the front side. This it is how much you have to inflate. And you can use the automatic system like seen here, or you can use a manual system. Then you have to push on plus for inflate and minus for deflate. Good job. Let's do this on the right side again. So here we are back in position. And you can see the tire pressure monitoring system icon is on right now. That means we have to program the new valve pressure into the system. On the right side, there is the wipe the wiper lever, and on the upper side there is a button which you can push until you are at the icon for the TPMSI, Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Yeah, and a little bit more. Here we are. So, there it is. This is the icon, set. And then what we are going to do is now we are going to program by using the OK button. The OK button, hold the OK button until the set is flashing, as you can see. So now the new pressure is stored well, and we can go back on the street with the right tire pressure. Good job, isn't it? So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.